Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is your very first time of seeing any of my videos, thank you very much for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like the video and share it with others if you find this video helpful. Today, like you can see on the screen, I want to talk about this university called University of Oxford, popularly called Oxford University. I know when you see this school, what comes to your mind is, oh, it's an Ivy League school, or maybe you cannot be able to afford it. And to an extent, that is true, because if you are out of pocket paying student, it is actually very expensive, because courses starts from, like, let's say around £30,000 per year, and which is really very a big money for even those who live in the UK. But what if I tell you that you can actually study at this prestigious university called Oxford University for free, and in fact you even get to be given some stipends to survive in the UK? Well, I know it sounds too good to be true, and this is why I am here to actually point you to the right direction so that you can actually make it easier for you to go to the right direction. Like I will always say in my videos are mainly to point you to the right direction, and I would strongly advise you should also make further research so that you can tailor it specifically to your needs. And you know that my video is intended to reach like lots and lots of people, and there is no way I will be able to make video that can tailor to each person's needs. So I am strongly advising that when I point, or maybe when I review some universities, please try to go to the university website and also get an up-to-date information, because most information changes from year to year, and I will always try to talk about them each year, because for the fact that I am reviewing this school right now does not mean that maybe next year I will not do the same, because admission changes, and there could be some new criteria to the scholarship, and there could also be new scholarship that will be coming up. So let's not waste time, and let's dive right into the website. Now, the university URL is ox.ac.uk, so make sure that you are going to the right website. So most times I always want to show you the right website so that you don't go to like a phishing website. Now, when you go to, this is the homepage, this is what will be greeted. But because I want to actually talk about more of scholarship, so I may not really be going to the fee paying, courses, because trust me, this school is an Ivy League school and it is very expensive. Like I said, fee starts from like 20,000-30,000 pounds per year, and that is like really a lot. All right, so in this video I'll show you, like I always say, every university website is always loaded. What you're seeing here is like one over 100 of what, or of the information the websites of any university would have. So it is left for you to actually go into each of these and try to find out more information. And again, I think it is actually like okay if you are looking for scholarship. Of course, you're not just going to open the website and just see it on the front page of the website. So you are expected to dig for it. Like, if you're searching for something precious, then you have to actually dedicate your time to go through these university websites. You understand? So let's go to admission. Let's try graduates program. So when you come to this, navigate to this place, I'm just trying to show you the easiest way for you to locate these scholarships. When you navigate to like graduate program, you can also do it for the undergraduate program. It will take you to this interface. You can read all the information here, but this is not the purpose for this video. Then come to this fees and funding, and then you can scroll down to fees, funding, and scholarship search. Click on it, And then there are also more information about scholarship. You can even search based on your course and the rest of it. But for the sake of this video again, we have to navigate to this place, A to Z scholarship for returning users. So when you get to this place, you will see all the scholarship they have in this university. Some are currently ongoing, some are yet to start. And you can see here, these are like for 2026 to 2027 academic year. So this is like they are yet to resume, or they are yet to start receiving applications. So this gives you an ample time to actually prepare your documentations and take your time to read the requirements. And if you see something like this, you can see that scholarship that requires an additional application, meaning that you will first of all have to apply to any course in this university, and they will have to give you admission. And once they've given you admission, you also have to apply. Or in some situation, you can actually apply simultaneously. When you're applying for the course, you have to also prepare an application for this scholarships. So there are some other scholarship that says the moment you apply for a course, you are already an eligible candidate, or you could be, the moment you apply, you are already on the list of people that might be selected. But this one specifically says that when you apply, you have to prepare an additional application to say why this scholarship should be given to you. For me, I think I actually like scholarships like this because it gives me the opportunity to sell myself. For example, for those people who do not really have like a very good bachelor's degree, like in terms of like they have like below 2.1, this applications like this gives you like an edge. Maybe you have some things underneath, like you have been doing some work and all this. This is where you have to now sell yourself, to convince them that you should be given this application scholarship, and then your application sells you, right? But why I really don't like applications that applies automatically, in the sense that you are now in the pool of people who might be selected. Because if you have a very low, like a very weak results for your bachelor's, and you're going for like master's degree program, your application can only be assessed by your overall grade, which may not really be in your own favor if you have a very weak results. So additional application, for me, I feel it is the best because it gives you that opportunity to sell yourself. Now there are series of scholarship, and you can see they would always mention when it is to start, the period, and the countries that are eligible. Like for example, here it says eligible applicants will then be invited to submit an application for the scholarship in March-April 2026, meaning that there is time. So this is from here. To be considered for this scholarship, submit your application for graduate studies by December or January deadline. Meaning you have, as at when I'm making this video, this is September, you have like still like 3 to 4 months to actually prepare. And I think it is actually an ample time for you to do that. And then you also have other one. This one is for like, this is China Oxford Scholarship Funds. So deadline is also in the coming year. You also have this Commonwealth. This one actually listed all the countries that can participate. You can see Nigeria is there, Malawi is there, Ghana is there, South Africa is there, Tanzania is there, Gambia, Zambia, there are Kenya. There are a lot of African countries because most of my audience are from Africa. So, and if you're also not from Africa, maybe you're from Asia, like Pakistan, India. Is there India? Oh, okay, from this, so maybe Indians are not eligible, but if you are from Pakistan, Sri Lanka, you are actually eligible too. So there are for the fact that there is no India here, for example, does not mean that there are no other scholarships that will not involve Indians. So just take your time. There are lots and lots of scholarships here. There are lots of them, lots and lots of them. So please take your time to go through them. And the beautiful thing about this, there is this particular one, Commonwealth Shared Scholarship. You will see that, you know, this the scholarship covers course fee in their entirety and provide a grant. So meaning this, they pay for your course that you have applied for. They will pay all the tuition fee, and upon that they give you a living expenses of at least £17,424. So convert this to your local currency, and this is a huge money. Trust me, even in the UK, this is a huge money. They also give you a return ticket to your home country, plus warm clothing allowance and study travel and thesis grants. So this is really very good, and I think you should consider this. So if you fall under these countries, please, you may want to consider this. Yes, Oxford University or University of Oxford is an Ivy League school, and imagine going to such a school without paying a dime. In fact, you are being given like about £17,000 in a year. This is really very good, and application will start in November 2025. So they are yet to confirm the dates, meaning that you still have time to apply. And this said, to be considered for this scholarship, you must first of all complete the online scholarship application via the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission website, which will be available maybe in November, and then you have up to mid-December to submit. That's the deadline. So please go through this. I think I just want to make this video very short. There are lots and lots of scholarship here. So also you can go to this funding. These are like scholarship that does not require maybe external application. You can see there's some of them here. These are external applications, application you can make to different websites. There are some for Africans, for Asians, if for those in South America, North America, Australia, and the rest of it. So this website is fully loaded with lots and lots of scholarship that are hidden. So it is your responsibility to go through them, search for them and find them, and then apply. So people are getting it, and you can also be one of them. So actually, this is where I'll be stopping my video, and please do not forget, you can always find the parts here: from home, admission, graduate, fee and funding scholarship, or you can still go to the previous one that we went to. So just take your time, go through the websites and spend your time, because nothing good comes easy. This is personally what I believe. And if you are looking for an all expense paid tuition abroad, you should put in the work. So this is where I'll be drawing my the cutting of this video. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share my channel. With this way, it will get more visibility, and those who also need to to apply can see the sky is wide enough for everybody to fly. So do not feel that not sharing it will give you more leverage or will improve your chances. Oh, there's love in sharing. I never can say, for the fact that you shared it does not mean that you're not getting. So please try to like, subscribe, and share. I think this is where I'll be ending, and till next time I'll drop a video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.